Hello po.
Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, I am Kim Sanya, your Mr. Grand Philippines, Cebu.
Hi, Mr. Cebu.
Hello po.
What is your preparation for Mr. Grand Philippines?
Well, my preparation po is that I practice po my pasarela, my Q&A po, and especially po yung katawan natin dahil importante po yung katawan, yung physique natin, no? Pagrampa natin dun sa stage, physique yung tinitignan, diba? Pag maganda yung physique mo, parang, you know.
Actually, yes. Added requirement.
Totoo po.
And also, I just want to ask, aside from since there's a lot of activities here in Boracay, so how's the experience so far?
Well, my experience po dito, no, as a first timer po is napakaganda. Na-enjoy po talaga ako. The beaches is so clear, you know, ang daming tao, ang daming mga foreigners, mga taong makikita mo, mga bagong tao. Into this, kahit diverse tayo dito, nagkakaisa yung taga Boracay talaga. Dito, mga tao dito. Enjoy na enjoy po tayo dito. So, I encourage you all po na pumunta ng Boracay.
Actually, talaga, maganda talaga ang Boracay.
Totoo po.
And get how it goes.
Especially here po in our sponsor po sa Mr. Grand Philippines po, itong Ambassador in Paradise. Thank you so much po, Ambassador in Paradise, for sponsoring Mr. Grand Philippines po sa inistayhan namin po dito sa Boracay. Tas yung food po nilang sarap-sarap po talaga.
Thank you so much. And also, there's a lot of category held here in Boracay, like national costume, formal wear, and swimwear.
Yes po.
What do you think of in all categories? Saan ka nag-stand out? Saan yung pinaka-parang, like, for example, gustong-gusto mo?
Yun. Alam niyo po, yung gustong-gusto ko po talagang category sa lahat po is yung swimwear competition because nagsa-stand out po talaga. Parang yun yung edge ko po. Yung confidence ko lumalabas talaga pag swimwear competition. Yung best ko lumalabas, parang namomotivate ako. Yun po.
That's actually kinakita namin last night.
Thank you so much po. Thank you. Yes, yes po. I really enjoyed po
Your
that category po.
performance. So, lastly, as there's a lot of male pageantry here in the Philippines, why you choose Mr. Grand Philippines?
Okay po. I choose po Mr. Grand Philippines po because naniniwala po ako that this is a pathway po. A pathway, a journey to improve myself more po. At ano po, nakakagain ako ng friendship dito, connections po, at attributes po sa lahat ng aspects po sa aking self to improve more and to, you know, makaka-achieve pa rin ako ng a higher level po, ganyan, higher level.
Actually, by the way, I just want to ask, how old are you?
Well, bago lang po ako nag-20 noong October 10 po.
Are you also only 20 years?
Yes po, I'm 20 years old po ngayon.
Your performance, every category is indeed. So,
Thank you so much po. Thank you so much po.
veterano ka na talaga.
Hindi naman po. I just do my best po talaga. At ang importante po talaga doon is confidence po. Magtiwala ka sa sarili mo at you know, you can achieve what you desires po. Ganyan.
What can you contribute to organization?
Well, I can contribute to the organization po. My knowledge po as a dental assistant, as a SK of our barangay po, to inspire youth po na don't rush things. You know, may perfect time po talaga sa lahat, no? Kagaya ng kung mananalo ako sa Mr. Grand Philippines po, di ba? Mananalo ako, di ba? Parang it is a perfect time po talaga na ibibigay ng Diyos po sa atin. So don't rush things po and enjoy your life po. At wag niyong kakalimutan po na education is a must po because it is a progression po, di ba? It puts and directs us to whatever path we take po with air of confidence and wide array of skills and knowledge. And that is something that we should always achieve, no? For an educated person po, develops the faculties of his mind that we can acquire anything we want po without violating others because Totoo naman po na education po, ang edukasyon ay susi at daan sa ating tagumpay.
Can you invite them to watch the
Yeah.
graduation night?
Yeah. To all people there watching me, I encourage you po to watch our coronation night po. This October 25th in Manila. See you there po. Or if hindi po kayo makakapunta, may live po kami sa Mr. Grand Philippines po, FB po. Sa FB. Thank you so much po.